Acanthoplus discoidalis is a species in the Heterodyne, a subfamily of the KATYDID family, Tetygoniidae. Its closest relatives, Acanthoplus discoidalis, variously bears common names such as armoured katydid, armoured ground cricket, armoured bush cricket, corn cricket, setotogene and coring creek. The species is native to parts of Angola, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe and South Africa. Note that the common names are characteristically misleading. The species is not closely related to true crickets and katydids, which originally belonged to the unrelated subfamily Pseudophyllinae. Acanthoplus discoidalis is a wide-bodied, flightless species that typically grows to a body length of about 1.95 inches. The pronotum bears several sharp conical spines. The mandibles or main biting jaws are powerful. They can inflict a painful nip and they permit the insect to feed on materials such as tough herbage or carrion. Another defense against predators is reflex bleeding, also called orthohemorrhaging, in which the insects squirt hemolymph from pores in their exoskeleton, achieving a range of a few centimeters. Acanthoplus discoidalis is omnivorous and feeds opportunistically on many different foods. Especially when their diet is deficient in protein and salt, members of the species commonly become cannibalistic, so much so that when their populations peak in autumn and some of them stray across roads and are crushed by traffic, cannibalistic conspecifics congregate around the casualties and feed until they are killed in turn. During that season their remains may form large patches on roads. Acanthoplus discoidalis has several defensive mechanisms apart from the armored exoskeleton. Their defense takes various forms, depending on the gender of the individual and the method of attack. In Acanthoplus discoidalis, courtship and mating is a relatively slow process. First, the stridulation of the males attracts females. The male produces a large spermatophore that includes a sperm pouch and an attached spermatophylax, a portion of food that serves as a nuptial gift to the female. Having mated, a male cannot mate again before he has had time to grow a new spermatophore. A female must mate before laying her first clutch of eggs. Thereafter she may mate and lay eggs again in any arbitrary order, as she can store sperm. Acanthoplus discoidalis is a pest of sorghum and millet in southern Africa. In bad years, they may cause crop losses of up to 40%. Insecticides can control infestations, but as Acanthoplus discoidalis are flightless and they can be controlled fairly easily by constructing a 50 cm deep trench around the field. Their entire life cycle typically involves one generation per year, with rainfall patterns being a critical factor influencing egg survival, nymph development, and population outbreaks.